Good morning, students. Dear students, today we will discuss about the food items that make bones and muscles strong. Dear students, we are doing lot of work from day to night. So to survive, to work, to function our body, we need the fuels. Which kind of fuels? Food. It means we can tell that food is the fuel of our body. It is for the animals or plant both. So for the fuel of our body, that is food material, we are totally depends on the plants and animals. Plants and animals. Okay, both are providing the food to the human and animal both. Okay, that food material make our bones and muscle strong and healthy. That is our body to to make our body strong and healthy. We need the food material. Okay. Now here we will discuss about that which main food items are essential are to make the bones and muscles healthy and strong. So I have categorized here proteins, vitamins, minerals, carbohydrates, water, etc. Okay. First we will discuss about the protein. Dear students, this protein helps growth and repair of the body. That is why you can tell that protein is the building uh, fuel which build our body for the growth and preparation. Okay, it means this protein is very essential for the children, mainly growing children. Why? Because of the development of the body, because of the growth of the children, protein is very essential. That is why children needs more proteins. The main source of the protein is the milk, egg, cheese, fish, meat, beans, etc. Now if we will discuss about the vitamins, then we can tell that vitamin help our bodies to function properly. Vitamins helps our bodies to function properly. That is why when we are going to the doctor, we are telling that we are feeling weakness, so their doctors are suggested to give the vitamins. There are so many kinds of the vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, and in this vitamin B, B1, B2, B3, etc. are there. And if anybody will ask you that which vitamin you are getting free of cost from our nature, then you should tell vitamin D, which we are getting from the sun. And vitamin D is very important vitamin for the body because it absorbs the calcium from the food materials, and calcium will come under the mineral. Okay, so vitamin D we are getting from the sun, which absorb the calcium from the food material. Okay, so this vitamin may be vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D, E, vitamin E1, E2, E3, similarly vitamin B1, B2, B3, etc. are there, and different kinds of vitamins have the played the different role to the our body. That is why all the vitamins are essential, that is important for the body. That is why doctor suggesting to give the vitamins tablet. Why? When patient are feeling weakness, because vitamins helps our body to function properly. Okay, so if we are not getting the sufficient vitamins from the vegetable, meat, fish, that is from the food material, then we can take the vitamins tablet from the market also. Now minerals helps in keeping our bones blood and teeth healthy. Okay. Once again, minerals helps our bones, blood and teeth healthy. Calcium, which is essential for the bones and teeth. Essential for the bones and teeth. Similarly, sodium and potassium ion essential for purification of the blood. For the purification of the blood, that is for the good circulation of the blood, properly circulation of the blood, sodium and potassium ions are essential. That is why doctors suggesting to take the coconut water, because in the coconut water sodium and potassium ions are present in the maximum strength, maximum amount. So minerals is very important for the body, for the blood, teeth and bones. If our blood will be fresh, healthy, then body will be automatically healthy. Okay. The main source of minerals are vegetable, fresh food, meat, milk, fishes, etc. Okay. Now come on the carbohydrates. Carbohydrates, which we are getting from the food material. Which kind of food material? Bread, bananas, potato, etc. The working man, working person needs more amount of the carbohydrates. Okay. The carbohydrates, the best example of the carbohydrate is the glucose, sucrose, fructose, sugar, cane sugar. These all are the example of the carbohydrates, and these carbohydrates are very important for you to function. That is why I am telling you, the working person needs more amount of the more amount of the carbohydrates. Okay, students, and these proteins, vitamins, minerals, carbohydrate is not only the essential part of the body, essential food materials of the body, essential things of the body to make the food, to make the bones and muscle strong. For with these all, water played very important role, because to digest the food material, water is very important. For the excretion of the unwanted things for the body, water is important. And as you are knowing that most part of the body is the water. Okay. So with these all, we should drink sufficient amount of the water to make our body healthy. Thank you. God bless you. Have a nice day.